you hear it? Do you hear it?
It's alive!
Master, I got you what you wanted, the brain, Abby normal.
Abnormal? You have to be a little abnormal. You gotta be a little abnormal.
You gotta be brave to get in this thing.
Gotta have more stones than I do.
Kidding me? Anyway, so with that, you can hear the thing coming to life. Get ready. Bob Motz. KW down there going, should I stand here, honey?
Fiddling with his... Look at the golf cart over here. Shaking because he made the mistake of driving behind Bob.
Yeah, that's why you don't.
Oh, I can feel the warmth in race control through the building.
So the thunderous sound of Bob Motz Kenworth. His son down there in front telling him, indicating that things are A-OK. There you go. Oh, look at that fireball. Look at that fireball. Oz has nothing over that deal. No. Bob Motz.
Folks, get ready for the pops here.
Man, you can look real close at the stickers on that truck. The one that says no lot lizards. That thing is unreal. The cabin is shaking as he gets ready to run down. Check this out. Bob Motz. So Motz will come up there, Lane Automotive sign. We'll go through all the brute force when this thing gets on the throttle.
Imagine it standing next to him right there, being like, yeah, you want to line up right about here, Dad. It's all good. That's fine.
All right, here we go. Look at Jason. It's got a rock'em sock'em robot to the head down there. Bob Motz, ladies and gentlemen, Michigan makes some noise! How about that, man? You have never, and I have never, ever witnessed, I've seen it before, but man, it's always a different